In this video, I am going to show you how to spend your 1xBet points. 1. Log into your 1xBet account and head over to the promo code showcase section. This is where you can see what offers available for exchange with your points. You can exchange your points for a free bet, spin, or other promotional offers available in the showcase. The minimum amount of promo points required for an exchange is usually 50, but this can vary depending on the specific offer. Be aware that there is a limitation on how many promo codes you can redeem within a day. Typically, a user is allowed to exchange points for one promo code per day. By exchanging your points into the promo code showcase, you can take advantage of various offers and bonuses provided by 1xBet, enhancing your betting experience. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.